Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about a business software called WordPress. So many people think that they don't have any technical skills or they are not comfortable with the internet or with the computer, and they think that WordPress must be really hard to use, which is completely false. The interesting thing is that WordPress is so popular because it is easy to use, and it doesn't seem to matter how much we describe this to the people. They really don't get it unless they do it themselves. So in this video I'm going to show you guys about how to install WordPress on your local machine and also how to post your website. I'm going to concentrate more on how to do the things like adding and deleting the content of your website. First of all, let's spend a minute to review what WordPress is and why we are so excited to use WordPress. WordPress is a free open source web publishing system, which is just another way of saying it is a free tool to help you build websites. So many small businesses, government organizations, and even many people use it for developing their websites. You can also write your own personal blogs, and even the Fortune 500 companies use WordPress to build their websites. So WordPress is a platform that allows you to have a website where you can have your own blog post, and it also allows you to have a marketplace online. So basically, if you want to have a website, WordPress is one of the simplest ways. So majority of the websites now on the internet are based on WordPress. So one in among 5 websites present online are using WordPress now. So if you are a beginner or someone who doesn't want to write code, in this video you will learn the fundamentals of using the WordPress to create web pages, navigation menus, and settings that you can combine later with the pre-existing themes and plugins to create your own website. However, for the intermediate to advanced users, they are going to roll up sleeves and learn how to create a website from scratch, which means they are going to begin with 0 lines of code and files, and they are going to write everything together so that they can really learn how to use WordPress. So basically, when you are creating a website, it has 4 simple steps. So like I said, there are 4 simple steps in building a website. So the first step is hosting. So hosting is a computer that's on 24 hours a day that hosts all your information like text, images, and videos. Without hosting, if someone tries to open your website, it will result in a blank page. Step 2 is choosing a domain name. Your domain name is your website name, something like your business.com, business.net, or for instance, Google's domain name is google.com. And in step 3, we are going to install WordPress in our local system. So WordPress is a content management system. It's a fancy way of saying it manages all your content like text, images, and videos on your web page. Instead of writing code, all you need to do is type something and drag all the images which you need. It is similar to Microsoft Word. And finally in the last step, we are going to create your website. For this video, I am going to install WordPress locally using WAMP server. I can say that this is the best way to develop the website offline on your PC. So let's get started by downloading the WordPress on our WordPress. So first we have to download WAMP server. So let's go ahead and do that. So now to download WAMP server, just open your favorite browser and type in WAMP server download and hit enter. So it shows multiple links. So I'm going to wampserver.com. So once you get into vampserver.com, on, on the header you can see download button. Just click on that. Just click on the download button. So here you will get like two types of VAMP server. One is for 64-bit and the other one is for 32-bit. So in my case it is 64 bits, so I'm going ahead and clicking on that. So it shows a warning message that you should have Visual Studio 2012 on your system. So if you don't have Visual Studio, there's a link right here which you can use to download Visual Studio. So basically I have Visual Studio in my laptop, so I'm just going ahead and clicking on download directly. So you can just go ahead and download here. So now the VAMP server is downloading. Yep. So once you download the VAMP server, you have to open the file and you have to install it on your local machine. So basically we are installing VAMP server because we need something to run the WordPress on. So I'm going to just go ahead and skip this part. So now the VAMP server has downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. So I have VAMP server, so I'm going to double click and install it. So I'm gonna hit OK. So you should accept the license term. So I'm installing the VAMP server now. So it's already exists in my system. So install. So I'm just go ahead and do it again. Yeah. To download WordPress, just go to the browser and type wordpress.org and hit enter. So it takes you to the WordPress official website where you can download the WordPress. So you have it on the top right corner and you can download the WordPress. So now the execution has started, which I'm going to skip because I already have one. So now just I already have the downloaded file, so I don't have to do that again. So yes, we have the download WordPress here. So this is a zip file, so you have to extract files. And so just a minute, I think I already have the extracted one too. Okay, that's okay, we can just extract it again. So we are going to extract the zip file now. So basically this we get a bunch of files, a folder. So now we are going to copy this extracted file and paste it into the VAMP server folder. So that we are doing this basically to just like to provide an interface between the WordPress and the VAMP server. We are just linking them, in other words. So now we have WordPress here, so let's type WordPress now. So this is a WordPress extracted folder, so I'm going to copy this. So just copy it and go to your C drive where you have the WAMP server. So I'm going to go into my C drive where I have WAMP server. So when you have WAMP 64, you have a bunch of folders here, and the last folder is www. Just open that folder and paste the WordPress folder in here. By doing this, we are like connecting the WordPress and the WAMP server. So we are building an interface here. So this is how you like how you join or how you connect WordPress and WAMP server. And now go to the browser and type localhost / WordPress / WP -admin and hit enter. Then you will get to the home page of the WordPress. So since we are just starting it now, you have to set up your account. So you have to set the language first. So I think let's go. So I'm going to give as everything as, so just make sure that you remember all these details. So I'm going to give everything as WordPress now. Okay, you can submit it. So you have to give your database username. So the database username is root and the password is nothing. So now run the install. So set title, so you can give any title as like test. So you have to provide all the details now. So this is how you get. So these are my credentials now, and now I'm going to log into the WordPress. So guys, this is my website I have created. So I have set the home pages here. So you can just select the content, you can even select the color combinations, the themes, and you can even put videos. So instead of the text here or the background here, you can put a video or an image. So you can even provide links through WordPress. So basically when you just go around the WordPress dashboard, we have like these, and we do have like several plugins in WordPress. So you can use those plugins to customize your website. So this is how my website looks. I have posted some active links here. By clicking these links, it will take you to a different website where you can grab information from. So there is even a contact, you can even set a contact page, you can even put videos, links and everything. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I really hope you like it.